Hi guys, welcome back. Special day today. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms across the world. We can't get it done without you, but you know that. Anyway, did you guys call your moms? Tell them you love them? Tell them you miss them? Did you hug them? Did you buy them a gift? Take them out to dinner? Do something. They just want to spend time with you. Tomorrow isn't promised, so don't take them for granted. I lost my mom earlier this year, and it's something you'll never get over. So do yourself a favor. Make it your priority to honor them every day. A phone call, a letter, anything. Management went out and got the balloons. Had a lot of running around to do, so she stood in some long lines for me and got it done. Thank you. This is from all four of us, Mom. We love you. We miss you. We wish you were here. Maybe all of us could get together and do a live stream like this every Mother's Day. Would you like that? Here we go. Just for you, Mom. Greatest mother of all time. For the nicest, kindest person that ever walked the face of the earth. Thank you for everything you taught us. We're so grateful. We love you. We know you're watching. And we're going to make you proud every day. Bye.